AI tools are transforming research writing, but they are also creating a lot of confusion. So many of you comment on my videos asking, Ma'am, is AI tools usage allowed in journal publishing? Do AI detectors truly detect machine written text or are they just guessing? And how can I use AI ethically for my research? Hi everyone, I am Neha Agrawal. I'm the founder of WiseUp, and in this video today, I'm going to clear all your confusion. We are going to understand how much AI tool usage is allowed for journal publishing and how to use AI ethically for research. We're also going to understand whether AI detectors truly work, and I'm going to share with you a new AI detector launched by SciSpace along with a benchmarking study that shows how it performs against its competitors. So, without further delay, let's get started. Let's start with the big question. Is AI tool usage allowed in journal publishing and is it even ethical? The short answer is yes. You can use AI tools for your research, especially in the early stages. For example, you can use it for your literature review, summarizing the papers, and even organizing your references. These are productivity tasks, and it's completely fine to use AI tools to speed up your research process. There is no academic misconduct here, and it's completely ethical. But when it comes to writing your research paper, you need to be a bit more careful. For example, when it comes to stating your results or interpreting your findings, that needs to be done by you. This is because AI cannot understand the context of your experiments or the meaning behind your data. That critical thinking needs to be performed by you. But you can use AI to improve your writing, to fix your grammar, to make your sentences flow more clearly, or to overall improve the structure of your writing. Now, when going for publication, you need to disclose the use of AI. Most major publishers, including Elsevier, Springer, Nature, Taylor & Francis, Wiley, support this approach. They clearly state that you can use AI to assist you in writing, but not to interpret scientific content. And they make two things very clear. First, AI cannot be listed as an author. And secondly, you need to disclose the use of AI if you've used it anywhere in your manuscript. So I hope now it's very clear to you that yes, AI can be used for journal publishing and it is also ethical if we take care of all the things that I mentioned earlier. Now let's talk about AI detectors. How do they actually work? Are they really able to identify AI generated content or are they just guessing? And which AI detectors should we be using? AI detectors are basically tools which try to identify whether a piece of text is written by a human or by an AI model like ChatGPT. They do so by trying to identify patterns in your writing, such as word predictability, sentence structure, and even punctuation style. Now, AI writing tends to be more predictable and less random than human writing. So AI detectors try to look for this predictability, also called as perplexity. Some advanced detectors use machine learning models trained on millions of examples of AI versus human writing. But here's the catch. No AI detector is 100% accurate. Some of these detectors can easily label human writing as AI generated content if it is too formal or polished in style. At the same time, with a few human edits in AI generated content, it can easily bypass some of these detectors as well. So to answer your question, are AI detectors just guessing? Well, not exactly. They are based on real linguistic patterns and probability models, but they can only make an informed prediction and not a guaranteed judgment. That is why when universities and publishers use these AI detectors, it is supposed to act only as a signal and not as a final proof. Based on the result from the AI detector, it should go for manual review and not an automatic penalty. Now, when it comes to which AI detectors to use, well, there are plenty of options out there like GPT-0, ZeroGPT, Turnitin, Quillbot, Grammarly, and many others. But here's an important fact. Most of these detectors are trained on general web content, which means they struggle to interpret technical papers or scientific language correctly. So for this purpose, SciSpace has launched its own AI detector, especially for research and academic content. It's trained on scholarly text, making it much more reliable to identify AI usage in research manuscripts. So now let's talk about the SciSpace AI detector, what it can do, how to use, and how it performs as compared to its competitors. First, using it is really straightforward. All you need to do is upload your document in the form of PDF, docx file, or you can also copy and paste the content in the box provided and then just hit analyze. SciSpace AI detector will then quickly analyze your text and give you a likelihood score, whether the text you've given is more likely human generated or more likely AI generated. It also highlights parts of your text that are more likely AI generated. And everything is very nicely color coded, so you can easily interpret that and go for a deeper review. This entire analysis can be quite helpful when you're going for publishing or submitting your assignment to the university and you want to quickly check and make sure that you're meeting academic standards before submit. Now you might be wondering, how well does it actually work? So for this, SciSpace had conducted a benchmarking study where they compared their detector's performance against popular AI tools like GPT-0, ZeroGPT, Quillbot, and Grammarly. And this is what they found. On academic papers, SciSpace scored around 96% F1, which means that it's very precise and doesn't miss much AI-generated content. Its overall accuracy was also 98% for detecting AI-written content in research manuscripts. Another benefit of using the SciSpace AI detector is that it understands the style and structure of research writing. So it's more reliable overall to use for academic purposes. So if you're a researcher who's interested to check their manuscript for AI generated content, then this is the tool designed just for you. You can try out its free features, and then if you're interested, you can go for the paid plan as well. I've put the link and discount coupon in the description below for you. So guys, now I hope you're very clear about how to use AI in academic writing and also which AI detector is going to be most reliable for you. Now, if you wish to learn from scratch how to choose a research topic, how to write each and every section of a research paper, how to get your work published in high impact journals, and which are all the AI tools that you can use for this purpose, then you can join me for my course on A to Z of research paper writing. The link and discount coupon are also in the description. So now that you're confident about AI, check out my previous video on top 3 AI tools for research writing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.